Wrong day to not have any boots. Today is Saturday, March 11th, 2017. Today I'm going to the bank to figure out my student loan situation. Then I'm treating my cousins to lunch because their baby is now 1 week old. Little baby boy is 1 week old. I can't even believe it. Then later on tonight is my best friend's birthday party. So follow me along. It's gonna be a crazy, crazy day. And it already has started out crazy because this is my view out of my front window right now of my car. Snow, snow, snow. Welcome to Buffalo, New York. And my wipers are broken. Great. Hey everybody, happy Monday, March 13th. This weekend has been absolutely crazy. Friday, I spent all Friday night sewing until from like 4:30 when I got home from work until like 11:30 at night. Got a lot of stuff done. Saturday was crazy. I went to the bank, refinanced my school loans, got that under control. And went and saw my cousin who had a baby last week. He is absolutely adorable. He slept in my arms for about 2 hours. That was like the best feeling in the world. I am going to the drugstore. I have some stuff I have to get there. I already did a little bit of sewing today. And what else am I doing today? Oh, I'm going to dinner. Yay. So that's my day. I will try and take you along for some of it. This whole vlogging thing is very new to me, so this is kind of, it's a little weird talking to myself in front of a camera, but I'm going to try. So here we go. Here goes another adventure. I'm off on the road going to the drugstore. I have to go a little ways away. The pharmacy where I get my medicine is not located in the area of where I live. So I have to go up and get my medicine. So I'm doing that. If you're familiar with the Buffalo area, Wegmans is where I'm going. Okay, so I went to Target. There's things that I needed, a few things, and then some things that I wanted to look at, like for price-wise. I am looking into investing in like a really good camera. But I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I got today at Target. First, I always have to stop in like the little dollar section because obsessed. I got these two little candles, each for $3. This one's is Freesia Garden, and I don't know if this one has a scent, but it's cute nonetheless. And it's got a little cap on it. And then this one is in like a little pink glass cup. I got some hair clips, like good hair clips for when I curl my hair, because I'm always either like holding in my teeth or it's like up on the top of my head in like a ponytail and it looks ridiculous and I can't control it. Got an EOS lip balm. This is my favorite kind of lip balm, and I have about every color except this one. So I got it. And I needed another one for my purse. I wanted a bun maker and it was only like $4, so bam. And last but not least, clearance for like $7, a new iron board cover, because the one that I have is kind of sticky and old. It's on my grandmother's antique ironing board, which weighs like 10 pounds. No joke, that thing's huge and heavy. Also, I was going to try to film a video for my design channel, KJAS Design. I will have the links below. But I'm not sure if that's gonna happen because I've just been so busy and somebody's walking by with carts, so I gotta stop anyway. Now I can go. I actually don't mind the snow. I'm like one person who lives in Western New York and doesn't mind the snow, except for when you have really long winters, and this one has not been too bad. It really just started getting cold and snowy within the past few weeks. We've had a decent winter. It hasn't been too horrible. I have a design channel, which I have a few videos up already. I'll have that link below so you can go check that out. That is going to be like my main focus, is like doing designy stuff, doing crafts, DIY projects, like Pinterest pass or fail kind of things. So this channel is going to be more of like my personal stuff. I already have some videos up from my Disney World vacation last August with my family. I took some clips of different shows, different events that went on when we were there. So yeah, this channel is just gonna be me, and I'm gonna see how it goes. Today is Wednesday, March 15th. This has been like a day and a half of snowing. Let's see if I can get out of the driveway.